Hello, friends! Welcome to Melody Milo Kids!
I am a knife.
I am a fork. I am a spoon.
I am a cup.
I am a plate.
I am a bowl.
I am a rolling pin.
I am a spatula.
I am a pan.
I am a pot. I am a whisk.
I am a toaster.
I am a blender. I am an oven.
I am a glass cup.
I am a kettle.
I am a napkin.
I am a microwave.
I am a refrigerator.